Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I would like to share you how to transform this photo to become this one. As you can see on the left side will be the picture of a hallway in a certain museum. Isn't that very luxury and also beautiful, right? And also during the daylight. And after using the special prompt, this picture can be transformed into the gloomy and also spooky museum. And as you can see that the look of this museum also very scary and it's like it's been abandoned. How to create this transformation? It is very easy. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the tool that I used before was the Nano Banana, and here I am accessing it via Google AI Studio. However, if you would like to use another platform, for example the Gemini AI and also the Lovart, let's say, or the Sea Dream or another platform, it is very okay, then you can go with it. And here I will also share you the prompt to create this picture. And if you'd like to use this via Google AI Studio, then don't forget to do the login first with your email. And this is the look of the home page. And you can simply scroll down and click Try Nano Banana. And after that, you can start to select the picture of your favorite museum, for example like this. And after that, I will put this prompt into this section, and you can start to give this prompt a screenshot or simply copy it from the description box. Basically, the prompt will be like this: a long, decaying and profoundly spooky museum hallway at the dead of night, for example. And the high, once ornate ceiling now cracked and also covered in the cobwebs, and also the polished herringbone wooden floor is scuffed and dusty. This is the floor. And also reflect only dim eerie light. And also the another detail, the tall windows along the right side are boarded up or cracked, and what little light enter is unnatural and seeky moonlight or a faint and also flickering gaslight from the distance, and also casting long distorted and also unsettling shadows. And also the glass cases along both sides contains various ancient and also ominous artifacts and statues that seems to subtly shift or have a glowing red eye. And also the hinting at malevolent spirit within, and a thin swirling mist or fog drift low along the floor, and also the oppressive silence is broken, only imagine whispered, and also the overall atmosphere is intensely haunted, creepy, and filled with a sense of dread and forgotten tragedies. Ooh. So you can put the detail you want into this section, and after that you can click run and kindly wait for the result, guys. And usually you can have the another output only by using the one prompt, guys. For example, this is the first picture that I got by generate the picture or change this picture to become this one. And this is the another output like this. And if you love it, then you can start to download it and it will officially saved into your device. However, if you feel like not really satisfied about the look, don't worry, you can continue to click rerun in this section or this section. like this. So that's all guys. I hope this video finds you helpful and entertaining. Then don't forget to try this prompt into your version, and you can let us know if this prompt also worked for you. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it in a comment section, because we would love to see your comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.